Hello everyone, have you got this BMW key, keyless entry? This is from BMWs all the way from 2005, I think till about 2018, 2019. But if your key looks like this and you need to replace the battery, this is how you do it. So this actual key came from a BMW 1 Series 2016 model, but let's have a look at how to do this. So all you do is on the back, gonna show you there we go, there's that button there. You just press that button with one hand like that, and then pull it up with the other, and it should come out. So remember where the thing came out from, that side, and the opposite side there's another slot. So on there, can you see that slot there? This slot here, I'm gonna I hope you can see it. So it's on the underside, so the side where you can't see the signs. So look, so all you do is you just put that screwdriver in there and then push it up, and then it pops. Can you see that? So go like that and it pops, and then you just get your other hand, and then it comes out, and there's the battery itself. And to get it out, obviously you just use the flathead to take it out. Yeah, make sure it does come out. And this thing is ginormous. I have never seen as big a battery as this before in my life. Look how thick that is. That is a very rare CR2450 battery. Now they're hard to get. Either you have to get it from the main dealer, or you have to go on Amazon and get it. So the process of putting this back in is literally, up there is you'll see where it kinks. I don't think I can show you. Yep, there you go. So you can see that bit's round, and then this bit, it's a bit flat. So that bit where it's flat, there's a slot you have to put, that you basically slide the battery in, and you got to make sure the plus sign and the maker's label is showing when you put it in. So on the motherboard side, the green board side there, it should be the perforated negative. So this is what we do. So on the side where I've said it's a bit flat, you just slide it in there and it sits in like so, and that's it. And then all you do is the reverse of when you opened it. So you just take the thing and just put it in face first like so, make sure it slots in, and then at the top there just press it hard so it clicks. There you go, there you go, it's clicked. Press that, and then there's the key thing there. There we go. Just put it back in. There you are. Job done. And obviously go to the car, press the button, unlock, lock, just to make sure it works and that the battery you've put in is good. If it isn't, then it will tell you change key battery. So it's foolproof really in that regard. So I hope that helped everyone. Please do like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.